Hello, everybody. Superior Stacker here today, guys. Today, we're going to be talking a little bit about what's going on with gold and silver. Well, first of all, gold hit an all-new time high, beating its $3,100 an ounce, and it got to like 3160, 3150, which is an all-new record. And silver has been lacking. It got to $34 and some change, and it has dropped. Today, it's $31.89. Um, so some of the reasons that gold's new record that it hit is, of course, it's the same things. Honestly, it's the inflation concerns. People are very worried, and they're going for a safe haven and trying to get that. So that's what's making gold very popular, and that's why people are running to it, and that's what has caused its price to honestly go up. And and of course, the tariffs by Trump has definitely been a factor, and geopolitical tensions around the world, which honestly, that never ends. There's always something going on in the world, and it's never going to end. It just sometimes gets worse. That's all. That's the only difference about it. And recently, it has dropped a bit recently due to a market sell-off, which happens when gold hits an all-time high. People start selling and taking some of that profit, and either with the hopes of saying, hey, if I bought low and I sell, it'll cause a hopefully a drop off, and they're waiting for a time to purchase at a cheaper price. Which, if you're talking volume, if you're really talking volume here, money could be made, and that's what the traders do. And with all the paper and all that, of course, we are more on the physical part of it. It's different, a little bit different for us than it would be if we were a trader in the market. So those are some of the reasons why gold has hit its all-new time high, and also why the pullback on price, which is not majorly that much, I guess you could say, by the facts of how high it has gone. Just so you could consider that in the last 15 months, gold has gone up 50%. That's a big rise, honestly. And with silver, it is just lacking. Honestly, one of the reasons that it's dropped is because it's just facing a lot of resistance. One of them actually could be because of the weaker industrial demand, because China ain't having a demand as big on it as they normally would. So that's one of the reasons of many why silver is just lacking on price. And oh, look at this beauty. By the way, these are some of my newest additions. I got these 3 ounces right here under spot, which when I heard of that, I'm like, I jumped on that, especially with a Mexican Libertad. To have gotten that under spot price, ooh, definitely a win. And here I have a Philharmonic. There we go. A little bit of milk spotting there, but hey, as we all know, or it might be the case, I don't know. But hey, it's still a Sovereign Mint ounce of silver. And I also obtained this Silver Eagle for spot price, which was incredible. It's the newer style right here. Yeah, I think that what looks like milk spotting is definitely the case. But hey, because honestly, I've never had a American Silver Eagle with milk spotting. Personally, I've never encountered that. All mine are in pristine, awesome condition. Uh, some of the other ones, you know how that is. And then I've actually purchased these. Normally, I do not get fractional silver. My to-go-tos are always the silver dimes, but these are very pretty, and I'm just like, you know what? I normally don't ever get these fractional silver like this, but I pulled the trigger on it. I'm like, you know what? I'm going to go for it. A little bit here and there doesn't hurt, even though the cheaper way is constitutional silver, which got me more mercs, guys. I was very happy. Look at the condition of some of these. There was a gentleman that was in there before me, and he got some real Real nice ones. Oh, I probably shouldn't be holding it like that, but oh well. I'm not the only hands that have touched it. See if, and again, the camera doesn't do it a lot of justice compared when you're holding it in person. Just look at that. And on the column, you can see that's one of the places that you normally check on these. If I can get the camera focused, look at that, guys. That is a beauty. And the majority of them look like this in very good condition. So I was like, oh yeah. So the first time I got 12 and then I got 14. And in the condition that they are in, even if they're a little bit dirty, they are still in very good condition. You can see the column. And of course, as if you've been following my videos, you know that Mercury dimes, silver dimes are my favorite, especially the Mercs. Or the Wing Liberty, as some people call it, and a few other names. Just amazing condition. I was very happy when I pulled those up. But like I was saying, there was a gentleman before me looking at them, and he got one that, oh, it just looked like it just got minted. It was from 1938, and he showed me, and I was just like, wow, that's definitely a keeper. I was happy for him, and if he wouldn't have gotten there first, I would have definitely purchased that one because it was a beauty. Well, guys, that's what's going on with precious metals. And again, a lot of us that are buying into silver, we are probably a little disappointed. We're like, when is it going to go up? It should be following the price of gold, but it's not. Unlike all the other times that the gold price has exploded, silver normally follows. Silver should honestly be over $80 an ounce right now, but it is not. But it's a bittersweet thing. The way we might look at it like, oh, it's definitely not following this and that, but at the same time, it's a definitely great purchasing opportunity. So hopefully you guys get those good deals out there. That is it for today. You guys take care, and I will see you on the next one. Happy stacking.